Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to create GIFs using Meta AI on WhatsApp. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Now open the WhatsApp chat where you want to send a GIF using Meta AI. Tap the attach icon which appears like a paperclip near the text box. Then tap on the imagine option from the bottom. What do you want to imagine? After imagine, type anything. Now describe the image you want the AI to create by typing it in the text box. Here I am typing cat playing football in the field. Meta AI will start generating an image as soon as you start typing. Tap on the arrow button in the right of the text box. Now slide and choose image that AI generated. When image selected, tap make changes. Tap on the animate button to turn the image into GIF. When GIF created, finally you can tap send button. That's it. These are the steps to create GIFs using Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.